Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to begin showing you how to do shells in crochet. And this first stitch that I'm going to show you is called the Close Scallops. It is a firm stitch that is moderately scalloped, and you end up with these, looks like little seashells, and they're pretty close together. So let's get started. With our slip knot, make sure you're leaving yourself a tail for weaving in later. So make your slip knot, and then we're going to do a chain where the number is a multiple of 6. So I'm going to do 24, and to do your chain you just grab your yarn and bring it through that loop. Grab your yarn, bring it through, and you'll continue that until you get to your multiple of 6. Remember, when counting, you do not count the one that's on your hook. You only count through that one right there, not this one. So I'm going to do my multiple of 6. I'm going to go ahead and do 24. And here I've got my chain of 24, and then I'm going to add one more onto that. So your multiple of 6 plus 1. So my multiple of 6 is 24 for this sample piece, and then added one more onto it. And we're going to be working with double crochet and single crochet, and I'm going to go into these loops on the back here. So instead of working in through these front ones, I'm just going to go into these ones on the back, and we're going to skip the first 3 chains from the hook. So don't count the loop that's on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to work into that 4th chain from the hook, and we're going to do 2 double crochets into that same stitch. So there's 1, and then you're just going to go ahead and go straight into that same stitch for your second one. Now we're going to skip 2 and do a single crochet, and then we'll skip 2, and we're going to do 4 double crochets into the same stitch, and making sure you're going back through that same stitch for all 4. So we've got 4 of them into the same stitch. We're going to skip 2 and do 1 single crochet into this next one. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. So there's my 1 double crochet. I'm going to skip 2, do 4, this was my 1 single crochet, sorry about that. I'm going to skip 2 and then do 4 double crochet into this next one. And then skip 2 and do a single crochet. And you'll just keep repeating that till you've reached the end of your row. End of my row, I just did 4 double crochets into this stitch. I'm going to skip 2, and that just leaves me this final one to do my single crochet. And each row is going to end with a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3 and turn our work. Now to begin each row from this point on, you're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain 1 space. So 2 double crochets into that single crochet, I'm sorry, not chain one, single crochet space. And then you're going to come look at your little shell that you made with your 4 double crochets. And you're going to open this up and do a single crochet right in the middle, so that way you have 2 on each side. You're going to go right through that space and do your single crochet. And then in the single crochet space that we did between our clusters, you're going to do 4 double crochet into that stitch. And then you'll just repeat that, doing a single crochet in this space that's in between, right in the middle of your little shell there. Do a single crochet into that space, and then you'll go to that single crochet and do your 4 double crochets into that stitch. And then you'll just repeat that. So here's my next one. I'm going to come in here and right in the middle, in the space here, do my single crochet. And then I'll come down here to the single crochet that I did over here, and I'll put my 4 double crochets right into that stitch. And then when you get to the end of your row, you've got this space here. You're just going to single crochet right into that last little space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. And that's what you're going to do until you get all your rows. So to begin your row, you're going to do 2 double crochets right into that first space there. And then you'll come over here to your little cluster, find the middle, and do your single crochet into that space. And then come over here to your single crochet stitch that you did, and you're going to put 4 double crochets into that stitch. And then you'll just continue alternating. There's my single crochet, and then my 4 double crochet. And then the single crochet, and my 4 double crochet. And then to end each of your rows, you'll come over here to this little space here and do your single crochet, chain 3, and turn your work. And always remember to start with your 2 double crochets in this first space. Do your single crochet right there in the center of your shell. So you'll have 2 posts there on each side. And then you'll do your 4 double crochet into that single crochet stitch, and continue doing that. Single crochet, 4 double crochet, single crochet, 4 double crochet. And when you get to the end of your work, you'll come here and just do a single crochet right in that space, and repeat that all the way until you get as many rows as you're looking for. And I will go ahead and work up a few rows and show you what it looks like. And here I've done up a few rows. You can see how it looks. You've got these little clusters here that kind of look like seashells, and it looks the same on the back. So both sides come out looking the same. And there you go. That is the close scallops. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have fun crocheting.